cruel test. To train them is my cause. I will travel across the land, searching far and wide. Each will be mine to understand the power that's inside. So true, our courage will grow. You teach me, I'll teach you. One game on. Catch 'em all. Catch 'em all. Catch 'em
What a day to shine. Hussey's got a hero and the party's divine. Catching Pikachu dreams, gotta catch 'em all. Jerome's the trainer, standing proud and tall. Audrey and Jessica cheering loud. Jazz, Chica, Jairus in the crowd. Gerald, Jairus in the crowd. Gerald, it's your day to play. Blow the candles, make a wish today. Pokemon battles, cake in the air. Something's the magic, nothing can compare. Charmander smiling, Bulbasaur too. Squirtle's here to set balloons in the sky. Jerome's the champion, no need to ask why. Fairies the team, they're always
Happy birthday, Gerald!
Cheers, cheers,
birthday, Gerald! Happy birthday,
Happy birthday, birthday, Gerald. Make a wish today. Pokemon
birthday, Gerald.
cake in the air. Something's the magic, nothing can compare. Gerald, it's your day to play. Blow the candles, make a wish today. Pokemon battles, cake in the air. Seven's the magic, nothing can compare.
Well, recognition. Ayan. Again, happy birthday, Kuya Gerald.
Happy birthday, Gerald! Happy birthday, Gerald! Go! Yo! Hey guys! Yo! Hey! Here you go! Hi! Yo! Happy birthday, Gerald! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Gerald! Sabay-sabay, okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday, Gerald!
One more, isa pa. Okay, ready? 1, 2.
Happy birthday, Gerald!
Oh, happy birthday! Happy birthday, Gerald! Yun, go! Yun! One more! 1, 2, 3, go! Isa pa! 1, 2, 3, go! Go! Yeah! 2, 3, go! Walk! Walk! Sakik! Tapos high! Yun! Depending kayo, guys.
And alright guys, please be settled down because we're going to start the party. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome your host.
Ayan, alright, hi! Hello! Alright, welcome to Gerald's 7th birthday. And now to ladies over, please all welcome our lovely celebrant, Gerald to daddy with his mommy and daddy. Ayan, alright, welcome to Gerald's 7th birthday here at McDonald's Arcovia. My name is Ken, together with Jasmine and my party assistants. And we're gonna make sure that everyone will having a fun party na hindi malilimutan. But before we start for this fun event, can I request everyone to please stand for our opening prayer to be led by Tita Lani. Yes, my lucky.
Smile!
Tayo po ay manalangin. Lord Jesus, maraming salamat po Panginoon sa araw na ito na pinagkaloob niyo po sa bawat isa sa amin, lalong-lalo na po Lord sa buhay ni Gerald na pinagkalooban niyo sa kanyang 7th birthday, Lord. Pagkalooban niyo po Lord siya ng wisdom, strength, ligtas sa anumang sakit at karamdaman, O Lord. Lord, maraming salamat din po Panginoon sa mga dumalo, mga kaibigan, kamag-anak, mga ka-workmate, lahat po nang nandito sila iningatan at ginabayan nyo na nakarating ng maayos at maluwalhati sa natatanging araw ni Gerald. Lord, kayo po Lord ang manuna sa celebration ng kanyang birthday, Lord, sa araw na ito, na ang bawat isa Panginoon ay masisiyahan at ito ay magiging isang successful event, O Lord. Kaya Lord, sa inyo po Lord, ang pinagkakatiwala ang occasion ni Gerald sa kanyang 7th birthday. Maraming salamat po Panginoon sa araw nito. Sa inyo po Lord, namin pinabalik ang lahat ng papurit, pasasalamat. Amen.
And maraming salamat, Tita Lani. Ayan, alright, mga kids and adults, are you ready? Parang hindi ready. Parang gutom na yung iba. Gusto ko yung mas malakas at may energy sa mga kids and adults, are you ready? Yes! Ayan, wala na yung gagana yun. Alright, now, but before we proceed sa our first game, can I hear aloud, Happy Birthday, Gerald, in 3, 2, and 1! Ay, mukhang ready na bisita ni Kuya Gerald. Parang pilit yung Alright, now for our first game, this is called McDonald's Racing. This is like...
Din po Panginoon sa mga dumalo, mga kaibigan, kamag-anak. Lord, kayo po Lord.
Alright, one. Isa lang, yung iba, hinakot na lang sa party. Item is 25 centavos. 25 centavos. I just need 5. 25 malipay ko. Yung malipay. Alright, one. Last three. Thank you. Thank you po. Last two. Last one. Ayan, thank you. Piso yan, babe. Alright, now kung meron tayo 25 centavos, meron din tayo anyo, 1,000 peso bill. Ayan, anyo 1,000 peso bill. Ayan, alright, pakibigay na lang po kay Gerald yung mga 1K. Ayan, kay Gerald po natin ibigay, pagdagdag po ng parting bill mamaya. Ayan. Sayang be, marami sana tayong naliko. Ayan, alright, now for our last item, a picture together with Kuya Gerald. A picture together with Kuya Gerald. Ayan, dito natin makikita sino yung mga close ni Kuya Gerald. Ang the spot? On the spot? Ayan, a picture together with Kuya Gerald. Ayan, sige, lapit po tayo dito. Snapchat. Ayan, sige.
Baka AI yung ito ah. Gerald na talaga yan.
Alright, now for our next game, I just named 10 kids here in front. I just named them. Bisaya. Hi!
Hello.
Alright. Alam ko naman lahat naman kayo, alam na to. Wala nang bago. Magdonald's kami na. Alright, now for our second game is called
Ha?
the hockey
Tuloy ka.
game. Nice and head, shoulders,
May prize yan, may
knees, toes. You need to
prize.
touch your head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Alright? And when I said hockey, you need to get the cup. Okay? Once na nakuha natin yung cup, i-raise lang po natin yung head. Sa mga hindi po makakakuha ng cup, thank you, and pwede na po tayo umupo. Alright, ready? Head, shoulder, knees, toes, head, shoulder, knees, toes, knees, head, shoulder, knees, toes, head, shoulder, knees, toes, head, shoulder, knees, head, toes, 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 toes. Nasaan yung toes? Wala nang bakal yung isa.
Ayaw daw kayo.
May bakal. Magulo yung moves, tanggalin. Ayan. Natatakot ka dito. Ba, talikod ka. Diyan. Ayan. Sali ka? Ayan. Touch. Ayan, siya na lang. Palit sa kuya. Alright, ready, head, shoulder, knees, toes, head, shoulder, knees, toes, knees, toes, knees, toes, knees, toes, knees, toes, shoulder, head, shoulder, knees, toes, toes! Ah, wala pa, toes pala.
Wala pa. Oh.
Humiga na yun. Sige, may kunin mo ba? Uwi mo. Di ba dumi yan?
Dirty yan. Wala pa.
Alright, ready, head, shoulder, knees, toes, head, shoulder, knees, toes, head, shoulder, knees, toes, head, shoulder, knees, toes, head, shoulder, head, shoulder, head, shoulder, head, shoulder, head, hockey, go na ba?
Sayang, mabilis. Okay lang. High five.
Yes, sa mga lahat mo na nakakuha ng cup.
Oh, may prize oh. May prize oh. Kuya Gerald.
Ayan, sa mga hindi po nakakuha, thank you po at pwede na po tayong umupo. At sa mga nakakuha po, stay lang po tayo for our next ready.
Yeah. Oh, sit ka na dun.
Alright, ready, head, shoulder, knees, toes, head, shoulder, knees, toes, knees, head, shoulder, knees, toes!
Yung isa, yung...
Toes, shoulder, head, shoulder, knees, toes, head, shoulder, knees, toes, head, shoulder, knees, toes, hockey, go ganda ka!
Jack and po.
Huwag ka mamaya tayo dito, Ben. 6 p.m. Ano to? Bigyan mo na lang sila. Ayan, and now, sige, tatlo na lang sila. Tatlo kayo ba?
Royal Rumble. Yan na. Uy, Daryl, may birthday ah.
Alright, ready, head, shoulder, knees, toes, head, shoulder, knees, toes, head, shoulder, knees, toes, knees, head, shoulder, toes, head, knees, head, shoulder, knees, toes, nose. Kasi yung nose.
Nose.
Ay. Alright, ready, head, shoulder, knees, toes, head, toes, head, toes! Toes, shoulder, head, shoulder, knees, and toes, head, shoulder, knees, and toes, knees, and toes. Alright, head, shoulder, knees, toes, head, shoulder, harky! Dahil matanda ka na, wala ka ng prize. Sa kanya na. Alright, then, now kids, background picture tayo together with the celebrant. Dito na lang po tayo lahat ng... Hanggang mamaya tayo dito tayo. Knees, toes, head, shoulder, knees, toes. Ay. Alright, ready, head, shoulder, knees, toes, head, toes, toes! Toes, knees and toes, Alright, head, shoulder, knees, toes, head, shoulder, harky!
Yo. One more. 1, 2, 3. Hey.
Alright, now.
One, two, three, go! Happy birthday, Gerald! Gerald, 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Gerald!
Yo!
Alright, sige. Sa boys muna tayo. Surname po nila. Girls, makinig tayo sa name ng boys. And boys, makinig po tayo sa name ng girls. Ayan. Hello, Mike. Aljon. Aljon. Girls, Aljon. Ayan. Tandaan natin yung face, Aljon. Next. Mix. Si Kuya is si Mix. Yan. Nakita ka ba? Ayan, next po.
Eman.
Sir Eman. Pakita ka, sir, sa girls.
Eman!
Natandaan niyo yung mga faces ng
Eman!
mga symbols. Sir?
Hindi ba pudoy yan?
Chichi?
Hindi ba pudoy?
Sir Chichi. Legit po name ba? Legit, your name. Your real name. Jules. Jules. Aljon, Vince, Mix. So, Mix. Emma.
Ayaw, Chichi!
Jules. Aljon, Mix, Eman, Jules. Tapos last? Lin.
Clint. Clint. Clint.
Lin.
Ah.
Lin. Aljon, Mix, Eman, Jules, at si Kuya Clint. Tatandaan niyo team girls ba? Alright. And then sa team girls naman tayo, ma'am. Miss Monet. Ito, si Miss Monet. Yes, Miss Monet. Zay. Ayan, si Miss Zay. Tatandaan natin yung names and... Ano nila? Please. Name ko nila. Joss. Si Miss Joss. Ayan, guys, Miss Joss. Miss Juliana and... Leslie. Leslie or Leslie? Leslie. Ayan. Alright, Miss Monet, Zay, Joss, Miss Joss, Juliana, and Leslie. Alright, sige. Dito na lang tayo, team girls. Ayan, then dito tayo, team boys. Hi, sali ka? Ay, sorry. Ayan. Kailangan sa lahat po ng players naka-sit down. Ayan.
Briel, doon.
Ayan, kailangan lahat ng players naka-sit down. Sit down po tayo. Dito tayo sa Then, kailangan i-guess nyo kung sino yung tatayo sa kanila. Gets? Kailangan kilala nyo sa... Nag-gets nyo? Kilala nyo ba? Apat lang kilala nyo. Eh, sorry. Apat lang kilala nyo. Zane, Monette, Leslie, Juliana, and Miss Joss. Kailangan isa lang yung tatayo sa inyo, guys. Ayan. Huwag na malap. Ayaw. Alright. Nakikita ba? Hindi kayo mag-group kung sino yung unang tatayo. Then i-guess nila. Magbibilang ako na count of 5 kung sino yung tutuyo. Tatayo sa inyo, okay? Ayan. Nakikita. Let.
Kita yung ano eh, yung t-shirt, yung videos.
Huwag kaya ko na, dapat dito yung matalo.
Video. Hi kayo.
Check na lang. Pwede kayong lumipat kung saan yung gustong pwesto, ha? Huwag na kayong tumayo. Kailangan gapak-gapak na tanggang ganun. Kayo din, huwag na kayong tumayo, alright? May tatayo na sa inyo? Girls, ready na? Alright, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Ang taas na, hindi na nila nakita yung isa-isa. Kunyari ang nilaan? Oo, kunyari ako. Kunyari tatayo ko, so ano?
Clean.
Lead. Kunyari yung mahulaan ko kung sino, kunyari ako team girls. Kailangan mahulaan ko kung sino yung tatayo sa kanila. For example, si Lead tumayo, then nahulaan ko, 1 point for team girls. Kailangan, kailangan sabay kayo magsasalita. Lang. Alright, ready na. Babaan nyo ka lang, babe. Kasi mga 5 flag lang yung girls eh.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, may tatayo na guys. Meron? Sa team boys. Ano yan? Baka magkakuliti ka, babe. Alright, ready na? Alright, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Wala na. Hindi. Parang sabi mo, tama?
Oh, tama si Bisha. Tama.
Ano sinabi mo?
Sabi niya, ano?
Kailangan natin kayo sasabihin. Alright, ready ah. Umaga ko na lang. Umaga, ayan. Kailangan sabay kayo ah.
Pagsabay.
Kawap ako na lang. Sabihin niyo yung name.
Kailangan sabay. Ready, ready, boys and sippers. Ready, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Eman?
Nauna. No.
Tama ba?
Mali siya. Pero tama siya.
Alright, 1 point for team girls. Last of 3 lang po ang punishment sa matatalo. Magubog lang girl pa uwi. Dito na nga, napakasabi na dadaya tayo.
Di ba ako sabihin?
Eto. Alright, ready for team boys and team girls? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Sabi mo? Sininyala siya. O sige.
Dito sa baba.
Atay nyo kayo. Uwi naman tayo. Gano'n natin. Wala mo lang. 2 points na. Nakita na? Kasi sabay. Ang hirap nung laro. Huwag na tayo maglaro ng ganito. Alright. Dapat sabay. Check natin sa CCTV. 2 points na. 1 point na lang para manalo yung team girls. Alright, ready? Dapat sabay ah. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Link na. Panalo ka? Si Joss. Ano panalo? 1 million?
Last one, last one.
Last. Alright.
Nagugulat eh. Iba pa nga.
1 point na kayo. Then 2 points sa atin. Ay! Zero. Pwede kayo tinipan kung saan yung gusto pwesto, ah. Huwag na kayo. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1!
Big sa. Tama.
Panalo yung team boy. Kaya team boy? Kaya ba? Alright, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1!
Wala na.
Wala. 2-1 pala. 2-1. Leslie. 2-1. Alright, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1! Alright, ready?
Last, last.
May baka makakulitin tayo dyan, ha? Alright, team boys and team girls ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1! Ben, naka-PLDT ba kayo? Bakit ang connection dyan?
Lalag.
Naglalag?
On ko na, naisip ko
Backlag?
Wala, wala na.
Kailangan pagkawan, kailangan gusto niyo 1 hour preparation, okay? Team boys and team girls ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1!
Josh!
Panalo? Josh?
Diyos.
Wala na sa team girls. Mag-grab na tayo pa uwi. Ayan sa team girls, dito na lang po tayo. Walay tayo dito, team girls.
Happy birthday, Jeron!
Alright, time for our first contestant. Ready, get set, Rampa! Papakilala nga. Sure. Yung real name. Ayan, Miss Monet. Ayan. Ano yung animal sound natin? Ano yung action? Ano yung action niya? Ayan. Kailangan natin kantahan ang happy birthday song gamit ang animal sound na pinili nyo with action. Right? Okay. Ako na mag-ako. Ready? Go. Kasi yung action. Ayan. Alright, ready, go! Ayan, parang pinag-tutor ka na ba? Alright, next for our second contestant, ready, get set, hampa! Ayan, Miss Joss, ang animal sound natin with action. Ayan, kailangan natin kantahan ang happy birthday song gamit ang animal sound na pinili natin with action. Okay, ready? Get set, go. Di ba naman ganun? Ganun na lang. Di ba? Tama? Ganun din. Pinay namin. Ready, go! Ayan, thank you. Alright, time for our third contestant. Ready, get set, Rampa! Ayan, Miss Leslie, animal sound with action. Alright, for our fourth contestant, ready, get set! Ano yan, starfish? Alright, ready, get set! Kilala po tayo dito sa gitna. Magbibigay po tayo ng alimang sound. With and set! Rampa! Chicken banana. Ayan, Miss Juliana, ang animal sound with action natin.
Tikilao, 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 tikilao.
Ayan, thank you. Alright, now our last but not the least, our contestant. Ready, get set, rampa! Yes. Alright, animal sound natin na with action. Parang kakainit lang ng motor sa labas. Ayan, thank you sa lahat po ng girls na nag-participate for our third game. Picture na lang po tayo together with our celebrant, Kuya Gerald po. Lahat po ng...
Happy birthday, Jeron! Happy birthday, Jeron!
Have your surname! First letter ng apelyido!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Tolentino! Ay, Tolentino! Happy birthday, Jeron!
Happy birthday, Jeron!
Mauna kami.
Ayos din!
Tapos na. Puro Tolentino kasi.
Saka sino si Tolentino, sir?
Last niya, lahat. Oo. Tapos. Tolentino. Practice.
Para alam natin nakikinig yung team boys. Kasi kanina nagchichika-chika kayo eh.
Sino si Tolentino? Lahat po kami.
Tolentino pala. Ang galing na natin ha. May mga sakit na yung mga tulog. Tapos, pamabebe pa. Diyan!
Share kami! Oh, share kami yan!
O, share na sila lahat eh.
Iba-iba lang.
Alright, for ito final na. That's what dito ah. Alright, for our first category, arrange yourself according to your birth month. Birth month.
Happy birthday, Jeron!
Ang problema ba tayo?
Birthday, Jeron!
Team boys na.
Yeah.
January.
April.
July. September. November. Alright, 1 point per team. Ayun natin bilisan. Sino yung kalaban nyo? Ibo. Alright, next kayo, mami. Gusto niyo mag-mic or megaphone? Check. Alright, for our next category, arrange yourself according to your size of your shoes.
Happy birthday, Jeron!
Alright, so team girls.
6, 7, 8, 10.
Alright, 1 point for team girls. Alright, for our next category, arrange yourself according to your first letter of your name.
Happy birthday, Jeron!
Sino na una?
Girls.
I, J, M, M, V.
Alright, 2 points! Yung mananalo sasayaw ah. Yung mananalo sasayaw. 2-0. Ay, 2-0. 2-1. Hindi na natin yung 1 point sa team boys kasi matatalo naman na sila. Alright, for our next category, arrange yourself according to your age. Youngest to oldest.
Happy birthday, Jeron!
Huwag ka matulakan. Wala ka yung dito. Check. May tutulakan. Team boys naman. Check.
11, 17.
54.
ko siya sa ano niya. Nagkakasay.
PDA, to be announced. 11?
11, 17, 27,
Masakit na si Kumuma. Bigyan ka na lang yung ito. Okay. Alto na. Oh, Metropolitan Girls, no. Char. Alright, for our last category, arrange yourself according to your beauty. Arrange yourself according to your color of your skin, lightest to darkest.
Happy birthday, Jeron!
Sa kilikili kasi yun, ang pinakatapos. Sa kilikili. Yak lang. Sa Team Girls. Sila?
Okay na, okay na.
Sige, palakasan na lang ng sigaw. Sa Team Boys,
Happy birthday, Jeron!
palakpak lang pala. For the Team Boys! Wala na. Alright, for Team Girls! Sabay sigaw.
Wala, ano na, girls.
Sabi, kaya mo, di ba lang yung malakpak tapos lahat sumigaw? Sige, sa Team Girls. Ikaw mo, malakpak. Sige, next category na nga lang. Ang gulo ko, no? Magre-resign na kasi ako. Alright, for our next dance category, arrange yourself according to your
Baseline?
birth year.
Happy birthday, Jeron! Happy birthday, kami talaga.
Kami talaga.
1974. 69. 1966.
Ayan.
Kumagaya ng lang eh. Tama, 69.
Tawa.
Kaya mo, Tita Bata, 5 minuto para kay sir, 5 minuto din para kay ma'am. Sabi mo na kaya, Team Boys at Team Girls. Dito tayo. Bigyan mo siya na ng 5 minuto pa.
According to your birthday.
Tama nga. Ay, malaman mo. Tagada. Kaya nga, bigyan natin ng isang bagsak para kay sir. Alright, sa Team Girls, dito na lang tayo. Picture taking.
Jeron.
Ito naman, ano padali? Wait ka lang sabi. Let's go. Music. Ready your camera. Ayan. Palakpakan naman natin yung Team Boys.
Happy birthday, Jeron! Happy birthday, Jeron!
Si Kuya Jeron. And an official recognition, blow your candle. message lang po tayo. Si Dana.
Marco! Pipili niyo lalaki ulit?
Happy birthday, Gerald. Wow. Saba. And sa mga brother and sisters po ni Kuya Gerald, baka may short message lang po tayo sa ating baby boy.
Sana wag ka na matakot pag pinipicturean kita. Happy birthday.
Ayan, alright now, it's sitting time na po, hindi nyo na po kailangan tumayo, kami na po bahala sa inyo. Thank you, enjoy your meal.
Go! Thank you! Isa pa, woo! May woo! Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday, Jero! Isa pa, sa tuling woo!
Happy birthday, Gerald! Happy birthday, Gerald! Birthday, Gerald! Birthday, Gerald!
Thank you!
Happy birthday, Gerald!
Happy birthday, Gerald! Happy birthday, Gerald!
Happy birthday, Gerald! Happy birthday, Gerald! Parang delay. Wakil, wakil.
No one is the best friend in the same cause. I was born to consider so simple and wild. It takes one to understand.
Ayan, ang galing. Super Deep Hamburger! Say and say hi to our friends from Palestine, Hamburger and Fergie. Ayan, at dahil nandito sila, may nandito ng performance para sa ating birthday celebrant na si Kuya Gerald. Alright, palakpakan naman natin ang ating
Every day, like hello, beautiful. This world is so crazy. You can bring it down. I'm too short, too fat, too skinny. Hey, but it takes me if I think that I'm okay. I said, I don't care what you say, 'cause I'm original. I learned how to love me from my head down to my toes. There's no that I know that you can be. Hey, 'cause I found the answer in That's why I'm talking to the girl in the mirror. Like even if it's time when you get up, 'cause every step takes just a set up, something just a little bit better. I'm talking to the girl in the mirror, 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 girl in the mirror.
Ayan, palakpakan naman natin si Hamburger at si Birdie. Parang lasing yung dalawang karakter natin, no? Siyempre. Alright, next naman po, family and relatives.
Yan. Okay, ready. One, two, three, happy birthday! Wait! Hi!
Alright, next po natin is si...
Hey!
Asya.
Hi! Na, one, two, three, hi!
On our side of the year, we would like to thank the family of Kuya Gerald for choosing to take part of classroom with us. Mag-ingat sila sa pag-uwan. Sana po next year magkita-kita tayo. At Mommy and Daddy, thank you for choosing McDonald's Argovia. At dahil nandito si Bernie at si Hamburger, tanggapin mo ang kanilang munting regalo at munting regalo ng Argovia family. Ayan. Maraming salamat po. At all the best, maraming salamat dahil nagbigay sila ng ating oras para makaselebrate sa birthday ni Kuya Gerald. Mag-ingat po sila sa pag-uwi at sana po nag-enjoy sila. Agad na yung Miss Ken, together with the party assistants, love kita sa McDonald's. Have a great night, everyone! At sa kids po, one line na lang tayo for giving
Joaquin, Pikachu. Joaquin, Pikachu. Pero,
Alright, wait lang kids, kung tayo matulakan. Wait lang po. Kids pa nila.